All right, so if you're tired of analytics tools that only show numbers and graphs, and you still have no idea what visitors are actually doing on your site, this one's for you. In this video, I'll walk you through how visitor tracking works and how you can track unlimited websites while seeing every visitor's full journey step by step. At its core, visitor tracking lets you see every single visitor on your website in real time, not just page views. I mean, actual sessions, locations, pages visited, time spent, and even whether they converted or not. First up is the visitor stream. This is where things get really powerful. You can literally watch each visit as it happens, where the visitor came from, which page they landed on, how long they stayed, and what they clicked next. And yeah, this is super helpful for SEO. You can instantly tell when a page starts getting picked up by search engines, which engines sent the traffic, and whether those visitors actually do anything once they arrive. Now, if you manage multiple websites, this part's a big deal. Visitor tracking lets you oversee all your sites in one unified dashboard. No manual reports, no jumping between tools. One of my favorite features is customer journey tracking. So instead of seeing random, disconnected visits, you get the entire story, from the first visit to return visits, all the way to conversion. And finally, funnel and conversion tracking. You can see exactly where visitors drop off, what pages lead to conversions, and how your conversion rate changes over time, all without messing with complex A/B testing tools. So yeah, if you want full visibility into your business, just like watching customers walk through a physical store, visitor tracking pretty much removes the blindfold. Track unlimited websites, understand your traffic, and finally see what's actually working.